Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? T power 3 equals 1 divided by 64. Solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation sum. Now, what we can do is to express this 1 here. You can express it as 1 times 1 times 1. That is the same thing as having 1 power 3. And for 64, we can express it as this is 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, that is 64. So this is 4 power 3. That means we have t power 3 equals 1 power 3 divided by 4 power 3. Now, when you have a power c divided by b power c, this equals a divided by b to the power of c. So right now, of t power 3 equals 1 divided by 4 to the power of 3. And move this down here. I simply have t power 3 minus 1 divided by 4 to the power of 3 equals 0. So from here on, we have power 3, we have power 3, we have a power 3 minus b power 3. This equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. So from here, I have a equals t and b equals 1 over 4. So let's apply that here. I have t minus 1 over 4 times t squared plus t times 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. So from here, I have t minus 1 over 4 times t squared plus this is t over 4 plus we distribute this to each of the terms here. 1 power 2 divided by 4 power 2 equals 0. So from here, I have t minus 1 over 4 times this is t squared plus t over 4 plus 1 over 16 equals 0. Let's equate each of these to 0. T minus 1 over 4 equals 0 of t squared plus t over 4 plus 1 over 16 equals 0, this over 1. So let's solve these individual equations. We start with this. Here my t1 will simply be 1 over 4, moving this over here. So to solve this, I need to find the common LCM. The common LCM here is 16. So we'll have 16 divided by 1, that is 16. 16 times t squared, we have 16t squared plus 16 divided by 4, that is 4. 4 times t, we have 4t. Plus 16 divided by 16, 1 times 1, we have 1. Equals 0. This as well is over 1. So we cross multiply. 16 multiplies 0. This multiplies 1. So we have 16t squared plus 4t plus 1 equals, we have 0. So let's solve this quadratic equation. Now to solve this quadratic equation, we are going to make use of the formula method. So we write the formula in respect to t. So we have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. And from here, a equals 16, at b equals 4, at c equals 1. So right now, I'm going to insert everything down here. T equals, this is negative 4, plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times 16 times 1 divided by 2 times 16. So from here, ft equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of, this is 16 minus 4 times 624, that is 4 carry over 2, 4 times 1, 4 times 2 plus 2, that is 64, and this is divided by, this is 32, that is 2 times 16. So from here we have t equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of 6 minus 4. Cannot you take 1 and add to 6? That's 16 minus 4. You simply have 12. So we have 2 here. Then you have, so this would then give us negative 48 divided by 32 equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 48 divided by 32. So from here, t equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of negative 1 is iota. That is imaginary number I times, this is square root of 48 divided by 32. And this equals negative 4 plus or minus I times 48 is simply 16 times 3 divided by 32. So from here, ft equals negative 4 plus or minus I times square root of 16 times square root of 3 divided by 32. So from here we have t equals negative 4 plus or minus I, square root of 16 is 4. Equals with 3 divided by 32. This cancels itself. Once cancel this, we have 1. And cancel this, we have 8. So we have t equals negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3 divided by 8. Can factor out 1 over 8 from here. T equals 1 over 8 of negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for t. Have t2 equals 1 over 8 of negative 1 plus I root 3. And also have t3 equals 1 over 8 of negative 1 minus I root 3. So these two are the complex values for t. Then we also have one real value for t, which is this 1 over 4 here. You can decide to insert it into the equation. Of t equals 1 over 8 t power 3 equals 1 over 64. Is it 1 over 8? Let me confirm. Then it's 1 over 4. This 1 over 4, not 1 over 8. So this is 4 here. So we have 1 over 4 to the power of 3 equals 1 over 64. Let's distribute this to each of the terms. We have 1 power 3 divided by 4 power 3 equals 1 over 64. 1 power 3 is 1 divided by this is 64 equals 1 over 64. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.